everyone, my name is Disha Lokhande. Currently, I am management student pursuing my marketing specialization from SAS Institute of Management and Studies. Today's my topic type of branding strategy from product and brand manager. What is a brand? A brand is a distinguishing symbol, mark, logo, name, word, sentence, or a combinations of these items that companies use to distinguish their product from other in the market. What is the brand strategy? A brand strategy is a formal plus plan used by a business to create a particular image of itself in the minds of current and potential customer. Different type of brand strategy. First, multi-branding strategy. The marketing of more than two or more brands belonging to the same or retailed category by a company is called multi-branding. In this case, the brands are mostly subtitle of each others. For example, HUL has number of bathing soap brands. For instance, Breeze, Dove, Hammams, Lux, Lifebuoy, etc. Fighting brands. The main purpose of fighting brands is to challenge competitor brands. These brands are not designed to target consumer but to specifically face the challenge posed by these competitor brands. For example, detergent, Surf Excels versus Ariels, Nirma versus Wheel, Tide versus Ghadi, etc. Private branding strategy. Private branding are products that are controlled and marketed by retailers. Most of the time, they carry the name of the retailers on the product. Private branding is popular because it typically product high profit for manufacturer or resellers. Private label branding. Successful store brand may use private label branding strategy to compete with large retailers. For example, supermarket chains such as Kroger product cost effective brands options for specific foods items. Reverse agency is a full service technology fluent advertising agency in the Raleigh, Durham and Chapels Hills, North Carolina area. We have a team of talented branding experts who can elevate your business through a powerful branding strategy that aligns with your business and resonates with your customer. When you work with us, you know your brand will be consistently communicate to your user with creativity and innovation in the market for a advertising agency to develop your brands. Let works together. Mix branding. A brand mix, also referred to a brand assortment, is a group of all of the brand lines by a seller that are made available to the buyer to introduce a new product in a market. A seller can use an existing brand to do the same. This is known as brand extensions. The new product could be from the same product category as currently served by the brands. For example, Surf Excel. Attitude brand. What is the attitude brand? Attitude branding is the choice to represent a large feeling which is not necessarily connected with the product or conceptions of the product at all. For example, Starbucks, Apple's, Nike's, etc. Attitude branding. Sometime a company will reply on an overall feeling or attitude to market its product and reflect this business. This branding strategy bring to business to life by marketing a large feeling to create an emotional connections between the brand and its consumer. Brands such as Nike use attitude branding not only to sell athletic shoes but also to promote a healthy lifestyles that aligns with it infamous slogans just do it. Thank you.